Hey guys, so for this video, I'll be showing you how you can change the tone of your AI voice in ElevenLabs. So first you want to go here to text-to-speech, and as you can see, I've already pasted my speech over here, but you can of course put anything here that you want to generate. So make sure that you're also using version 2, and to adjust the tone, we just want to adjust also the settings here, the speed, the stability, the similarity, and the style exaggeration. Although the style exaggeration is commonly suggested to be put in 0, so we will not be adjusting the style exaggeration unless you're trying to clone your voice. So let's adjust the speed.
I'm selfish, impatient, and a little insecure. I make mistakes. I'm out of control and at times hard to handle. But if you can't handle me at my worst, then you sure as hell don't deserve me at my best.
And you can also make it more stable.
I'm selfish, impatient, and a little insecure. I make mistakes. I'm out of control and at times hard to handle.
Usually you can set the stability from 60% to 80%, and you can also adjust the similarity.
But if you can't handle me at my worst, then you sure as hell don't deserve me at my best.
So it's as easy as that to change the tone of your AI voice. You just want to play with the settings over here. So that's it. Thanks for watching.